Hi, I'm Jim the Grumpy Plumber. I get a lot of questions about water heaters making noise, gas water heaters, okay? And we call it percolating. Years ago they tell us that it's the metals in the heater, it could be the sediment on the bottom of the heater. But one thing I always tell people, you can't fix it. You can't fix it. You might drain the heater down and it could come back in a few days. But it's a noise it's not going to blow up. I mean, I had my gas water heaters before I replaced it with a on-demand heater. They were always percolating on it. I don't care what anybody says. You know, they're going to percolate. I would put brand new water heaters in, and 3 months later they percolate. They don't have an answer for it. They think they do, but they don't. And some people tell you they do, but they don't. If you have a percolating water heater and they get loud, now if it's your home, if it's my home, I would just leave it. I'd leave it. I mean, if you have a rental and if it scares people, you might have to change it. Or you can go over there yourself, drain it down, see if that stops it. But, you know, it's there. It's there, and I don't know if it's going to go away or not go away. So I just would always tell people that it's part of the heater. You know, you might get one with it, and you might get one that doesn't do it. So that I'm going to leave that decision up to you if you want to replace that heater. But I'll tell you what, you better become a liar if it's in warranty and tell them it's leaking. I don't know if I said this or not, it only happens on a gas heater. Okay, another thing you'll get on these new gas water heaters that you've got to watch is they have new burners. They're kind of like a radiant burner, okay? They can be square, they can be a round tube, and what happens is sometimes you'll get what they call burn back on them. That you're at the heater and all of a sudden a flame will kick out of that heater. That's caused because there's a defect or a breakage in that burner, and you've got to replace the whole burner. Hopefully, if it's under warranty, they will send it to you if it's under warranty. Okay? Keep one thing in mind. All water heaters that I know of have a 6-year warranty. Okay, 6 year on the tank and 6 years on the parts. 1 year on labor. And don't let somebody come in and tell you that they're not going to get this thing warranted. Another thing, don't buy them at the box stores. Yeah, I know it's a good price because you have to take it back to them and they don't want it back. The hardware store doesn't want it back and they're going to argue with you. You buy it from a plumber that gets it from a distributor. He comes in, he puts that heater in, he finds out first if it's warranted. Then he brings the heater to replace it, takes it out, and he takes it back to that distributor. That distributor that I deal with, they do all the paperwork. They get all the warranty, they credit me immediately for my water heater. I don't have to wait for it. They take care of it because they want my business. And that's a good way to do it. You might pay a little more from a plumber, but nowadays, I'll tell you what, these heaters are tending not to have a great life. Thanks for watching. If you don't like that advice, ask your financial services guy. Thanks.